In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stock Screener for swing trading in Tradingview. We'll build a clean, repeatable process so you can quickly find liquid, trending stocks that are primed for swing setups. Then review them efficiently each day or week. First, open Tradingview, head to the top menu, and go to Products, then Screeners, and choose Stocks or Stock 2.0 if you see that option. This brings up the Stock Screener with all the filters we'll use. Start by establishing trend and liquidity. Under the price filters, set the conditions so the current price is above both the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. EMAs, or exponential moving averages, help you focus on names already trending up, which is exactly what we want for swing trading. Next, add a volume filter. Use average volume over 30 or 90 days and set it greater than roughly 500,000 to 1 million shares. This ensures the stocks you find are liquid enough for reliable fills and tighter spreads. Then add a performance filter using change percent over either 1 week or 1 month. This highlights recent momentum, helping you zero in on names that are actively moving rather than drifting sideways. Now refine for swing entries using technical criteria. Look for pullbacks by filtering for a momentum oscillator that's below 50 or moving out of oversold, which is commonly defined as below 30 on indicators like RSI. This means you are catching a stock that's still in an uptrend but has eased off, giving you a potential lower risk entry as it starts to turn back up. Add stochastic %K to the mix and focus on readings below 50 or a clear cross-up. That crossover often signals the shift from pullback to continuation, which is ideal for timing. With the list filtered, switch to the Chart View tab. This is a huge time saver. Instead of scanning a static list, you can visually flip through each chart to confirm structure, higher highs and higher lows, price respect of the 50 EMA, and a clean pullback that's curling up with your indicators. When you like your setup, save the entire screener configuration so you can reuse it. Give it a clear name and review it daily or weekly, with the best times being end of the day or on weekends when you can think clearly without intraday noise. This consistent routine lets you spot repeatable patterns, build a watch list from your best candidates, and be ready with your plan before the next trading session.